everyone! Here's my September 2020 plan with me. In this video, you can get a look at what my September setup looks like in my bullet journal. I had decided ahead of time back in 2019 that the prompt for this month's theme would be gray circles, so this is what I did with that prompt. So sit back, grab a cozy beverage, and come plan with me. So this is starting off with all the supplies I will be using over the course of this video. Now it's time to put that all away and get started. Up first is the cover page. We're just starting off with the header on top of some washi tape. Followed by adding a few circles, varying in shade and size. And then I add some washi on the side of the page to act as a bookmark for this specific month. I do this to all my months this year as it makes it easier for me to reference back to certain months more quickly. So next is the monthly spread, and again we're starting off with the header and some washi tape. I like using a larger 2-page monthly spread. I think it helps me more easily visualize the events or deadlines in a month. It also makes it easier to write because it's just bigger, and I think it feels less crowded personally. Now that the monthly is completed, let's move on to the habit tracker. Please note that once again we are starting with the header and some washi tape. This month I'm going to be tracking 9 different habits. If I'm in bed by 10:30 p.m., if I get 8 hours of sleep, trying to drink more water, 4,000 steps in a day. May not seem like a lot, but the current state of the world makes it kind of difficult. Make sure I'm maintaining my dental hygiene, reading, journaling, no spending in a day, and eating less sweets. Again, may sound simple, but not so much with the current state of the world. Next is the gratitude log. As always, gonna start off with the header and washi tape. This spread is overall pretty simple. You just have to add the dates, add some lines to it to make it easier to read, and add some decorative circles along the border. I like this spread because it helps me be more appreciative of the things I have in life. After the gratitude log, it's time to work on the brain dump. This page is just a header and some decorative circles along the border. I found that this spread is a useful space to throw out video ideas, reminders for myself, grocery lists, really anything. For my weekly spread, I was restricted to 1 page per week because of how many pages I have left in this journal. So I created a condensed version of the rolling weekly. I learned about the Rolling Weekly from the Plant-Based Bride, and she's amazing and has a very useful video on the Rolling Weekly that I will link in the description. Don't mind my head as it pops into frame. And now it's time for the flip through. I'm really happy with how this month's setup turned out. September is going to be a very busy month for me, and I think the simplicity of this month's design will really help me keep myself organized. Thanks so much for planning with me for September. If you liked anything from that spread, be sure to stay tuned for the more detailed pencil planning chat. As always, if you decide to recreate anything, I'd love to see it. You can tag me on Instagram, Twitter, or Pinterest. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe so you can see more of the content that I'll be uploading. That's it for this video. I'll see you all in the next one. Happy doodling!